In front of me is Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this device. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, like Chrome. Then go into Tab menu. In it, you need to look for a floating window shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. Then tap on Tiny Window, and as you can see, now I can use it in pop-up view. If you wish to move it around, hold the top line and drag it. Then place it wherever you wish to and let go. You can always use your app, overlay the other one by clicking on the other one and operating in both. If you wish to make your window tiny, click on Home button. Then access it by clicking on it. Now, to use it in full screen view, hold the lower line and drag it down. When you see this kind of grayish area, let go. You can also go into background apps instead. Click on floating windows at the top left corner and pick one of those apps. If you don't want to open any of those, click on this icon at the top right corner. Then tap on this plus next to one of your apps, in my case Gallery, and save your changes by choosing Done at the top right corner. Lastly, click on your app. If you want to close it, you can always do that by going into background apps again and simply swiping your app. You can also hold one of the opened ones over here. Click on this icon with a square, and this way use pop-up view as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!